Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Coach KoKo and I love volleyball. So much so my channel is filled with tips, tricks, hacks, and anything you could ever need to know about volleyball. So today, we know that you guys are going to be trying out for your volleyball team pretty soon. So I thought it would be best to circle back to all of the basics that you need to know before you start trying out. Let's get right into it. So if you're trying out for the first time, hey, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. We've had so many new subscribers join our channel and join our network. So I'm so excited that you guys have come to join us. So volleyball tryouts are happening pretty soon. Because of everything that's been going on in the past 2 years, a lot of us have not had the chance to play, and that's okay. So today I'm going to talk about some of the basic things you need to work on during the summer and how to do that. Let's get right into it. So in volleyball, there are a certain amount of skills that you need to practice before you start trying out for a team. A lot of people are under the misconception that you need to be a pro. That is not true. You just need to have a great foundation of basics that can really help you become a better player. So there are some basics that you need to know. For example, passing, setting, serving, hitting, and volleyball strategy. Those are the things you need to work on in order for you to become the best player you can be and have a strong foundation. Let's start first with the passing. Now, there are a lot of common misconceptions when you're passing the volleyball. A lot of people who are learning how to pass have seen where people will go and put the knuckle and thumb together like this and think that that is their platform. That could not be more wrong. When I was growing up and I started playing volleyball, that's how we were taught. However, things have changed for the better, and it's a better opportunity for you to learn exactly how to pass the right way. So you are going to make like your handshake. Hey, how you doing? Open that up. Hey, how you doing? Open that up. Put it together like an L shape and fold. One more time. Hey, how you doing? Open that up. Hey, how you doing? Open that up and fold. And put it together as close as you can. Now, I've seen a lot of people talk about that they cannot put it that close. That's okay. We just want it as close as possible. That is how you get the passing platform. Let's talk about the body position quickly. Now, the passing body position, we want to make sure that our knees are slightly bent, not all the way down like this, but slightly bent. Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? Here. And we want to make sure that we have the opportunity to step in. Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? Here. Opportunity to step in. Now remember, when you're passing, you're not here. You're not here. You're not here. You're in an athletic stance, which is just waiting for it. And those are some of the basics about passing. Now, you've seen me describe setting as an art form. That's because I truly believe that it is. Setting is such a wonderful thing, and it's a skill that should be practiced by everybody. I don't care what position you are, you need to know how to set. So let's talk about the basics of setting. And I do have a longer version, and I'm gonna put that in the link description below. So let's talk about the set. There are multiple keys to setting, but the key is a movement, and we combine them all into keys. So in my video, you see me talk about key 1, key 2, and key 3. Key 1 is the hand movement. We want to make sure that our hands are like a window, not flat. We see people talk about flat hands and they set like this. We don't want flat hands. We want ball-shaped hands, as if a ball can fall right into it. Key 2, opening that window. See how we have a slight elbow movement? Not this. Okay, you may have to do that in the future. Not this. Just a slight elbow. Key 2. Key 3, getting the legs into that movement. Okay, let's look at the body position of a full set. Here, relaxed stance, athletic stance. So we're not waiting to set here. We shouldn't be running like this, trying to get the set. Okay, now we're athletic stance. Run first, set. Run first, set. Now, there is a such thing as jump setting and standard setting, but if you're new to setting, start with just here. There are some other things like the serve. Let's talk about some of the basics of the serve. We talk about the serve a lot on my channel. When we talk about that bow and arrow, that serve, and that hit. I lost the ball. But what we must remember is that when we're serving, the toss matters. The toss matters. That means that when you are serving out like this, if your toss is behind you, you're likely to get it behind you. If your toss is too far forward, you're likely to toss forward. An easy way to remedy that is putting your serving arm behind your back, tossing it up for it to land right in front of you. That is a great drill to get your toss. Let's look at the full body position of a serve. We're here, not here, not here. I've seen people do this too. We're here. Look at my feet position. Some people have the foot forward. We're here, we're tossing, and then we're hitting, okay? If you want more videos on my serve, I'm gonna put that in the link in the description below. Now, the volleyball hit. There's a 3-step approach and a 4-step approach. On my channel, I have mainly talked about the 3-step approach, which is left, right, left if you're right-handed, or right, left, right if you're left-handed. We talk about this approach because it's the best way for you to get ups, or the opportunity for you to generate as much movement as possible before you jump. So I'm gonna slowly demonstrate left, right, left, or slow, fast, slow, so that way you can see what it looks like. Now, with our approach, we're not stutter stepping in. We're not taking little step, then big step, then little step. Left, right, left, and that's when you're swinging. It is a tempo. Left, right, left, swing. Here, swing. And this is something you can practice on your own. Left, right, left, swing. Practice that tempo. By practicing the footwork ahead of time, you have the opportunity that it will help translate to on the court. Volleyball strategy. That means watching volleyball, understanding volleyball happenings, knowing what a carry is, a double is. You need to know these things so that way you're able to recognize them. I suggest that you use this opportunity to watch different things so that way you know exactly what's going on. Make a point to learn what a carry is, a double. What does it mean when somebody can receive a double in the first serve? What does it mean when the libero rotates out? Use those opportunities to better grow in your volleyball game. So I really hope that you like this basics overview and it really helps you in determining if you want to play for the team, trying out for the team, and helps you grow. So with everything, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.